Okay folks, Mr. Bob here. Let's talk about tools today. So here is the absolute basic kit as far as I'm concerned. Let's take a look. Okay. Now you notice here there's kind of heavy on tension wrenches down here at the bottom, very light on picks. Well, that's really the name of the game as far as I'm concerned. Let's take a quick look here. Well, we got a city rake there. Ourselves a offset hybrid. W rake or a wave rake. And we got your standard hook there. Huh? More than enough to get you through most things that you would encounter in your day-to-day, right? Looks like, alright, so we have your typical Z-style wrenches here. You notice all three different thicknesses, a little bit longer on this side, shorter on this side, and that just has to do with the depth of your keyway. Again, all three sizes here. See if we can, come on now. Get those lined up for you. Come on, cooperate. Anyway, they're all the same. They have a twist in them. This is just for comfort of use. And then in this one here, we include two heavy bars. And these are used for top of the keyway tension. Okay. And that's this basic kit I wanted to take a look at. This will get you through almost everything you need on a day-to-day basis. Mr. Bob out.